Ingredient number 1. It also assists in soaking excess oil and treating acne. Oats contain compounds known as saponins, which are known as natural clearness. It helps in exfoliating skin and removing the dirt that clogs the pores. Ingredient number 2. Masoor dal. A great and natural exfoliator, masoor dal removes dead skin cells. It also scrubs off dirt germs that results in pimples and breakouts. Ingredient number 3. Almonds are great for good skin lightening. Eating almonds, as well as using almonds face packs, help to get fair and clear skin. Take a cup of masoor dal, 8 to 9 almonds. Grind them all separately and mix them in a jar. Add half cup of oatmeal in it. Make a paste by adding rose water. Apply on your clean face. Once the paste is dry, scrub it off with normal water.